Get on the f***ing ground!
Neighbors in the Daytona Beach area submitted complaints about ongoing drug sales at the residential property located at 939 Madison Avenue. Residents reported suspected narcotics activity at the house. These complaints triggered an official investigation by detectives from the Volusia County Sheriff's office. Detectives gathered sufficient probable cause based on the community complaints. No public information indicates prolonged undercover buys, surveillance footage, or confidential informants in this specific case. The focus remained on this single residence as a reported drug house. Detectives obtained a search warrant for 939 Madison Avenue. The warrant authorized entry and search of the house. Deputies and detectives prepared to execute the search warrant. The operation was planned as a standard warrant service, with no expectation that an active drug transaction would be occurring precisely at the moment of entry. Law enforcement units approach and position themselves at the residence. At this exact time, an active drug deal is already in progress inside the house between seller, Bobby Johnson, 47 years old. Buyer, customer, Charlie Damon, 53 years old.
Hands! 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 Get that car. Hey, get on the ground now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground! Get on the f***ing ground! Lay on your stomach! Don't worry about your phone! Lay on your stomach and put your hands out!
Target's running out the back. Yeah, the target's running. Southbound.
Get down! On the ground! Volusia County Sheriff's Office! Hands on the ground!
Hands behind your back. Tell him I got him. I'm ready. I got it. Just get the radio. I got him. Hands behind your back. Both hands behind your back.
Sheriff's Office, 1 second.
Any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Sit up. All right. Are your dogs going to be nice?
That's some bullshit here. Hey, get
Hey,
that.
puppers.
Oh, shit, I thought she bite.
No, I don't know. She ain't mine.
Yeah. What?
All right, stand up. I'm going to move you back here, okay?
Just hang right here.
I walked into some bullshit then.
You sure did.
You see him threw that shit in my car, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, he threw some shit in my car, man, and then tried to walk away, man. No, fuck no.